Hello parents and students. First of all, congratulations and thanks for purchasing Simulate Lab in a box. In this one, you would have seen there are three different boxes. One has material and equipments to do the experiment. One is a chemical kit, and third one has all the wooden material to make the storage unit. In this video, Maya and I will show you how to assemble this video. So before you start, I suggest that you see this video completely till the end and make yourself comfortable with the entire process.
For making the box in this cartoon, you have side panels, 2, bottom support strips, 3, top rods, 2, cross support element, 1, wheels, 4, bottom tray, 1, pull out trays, 2, top tray, 1, ACP tray, 1, interlocking shelf trays, 8, long screws 16, short screws 16, 6 mm diameter dowels 4, 5 mm diameter dowels 4. You would need a screwdriver and a mini hammer to assemble the box. Let's start with fixing the side panel to the bottom support strip. On this side panel, there are 6 holes at the bottom for fixing bottom support strips, then these 2 vertically aligned holes in the middle to fix cross support element, 2 holes at the top to screw bamboo bars, and 2 larger holes to put the dowel pins. First, we will fix the bottom support strips to one of the side panels. There are 3 of these strips, 2 of which are the same. They all have 2 holes on the side to attach to the side panel. 2 strip shave holes on the broader side for fixing wheels. Strips with holes for the wheels are fixed on the left and right sides, whereas one without any holes for the wheels is put in the middle. While fixing these strips to the panel, the side with the holes for the wheels should be facing down. Now roughly align the holes on the bottom support strips with the holes on the side panel to get an idea about their location and how you will put the screws. Of the screws given to you, use the longer screws for fixing the bottom strips. Now, one person can hold the plate while the other person can put the screws through the panel. Once the screws are put in the panel, align the holes on the bottom strips with the screws. The bottom support strips have a countersunk hole to align them with the screws easily. Push the screws using light hand pressure and align them with the holes on the end of the strips. Now tighten the screws such that strip ends are just touching the side panel. We will completely tighten them later. Once you have put the 6 screws on one side, change the sides. Get another panel plate and align the bottom strips. One person must hold the panel while your partner can align the strips. Hold the panel vertically, and the plain side should be facing out. One with tray support strips stuck on it should be facing inside. Now insert the screws through the holes on the panel and repeat what you did earlier to fix the panel. Tighten the screws, though not completely. Both the panels are now attached to the bottom support strips. The structure can stand on its own though screws are not completely tightened. We will now fix the cross support element. Use the long screws to fix this piece to the panels. Position the cross support element such that the holes on the side of it are aligned with the holes on both panels. Like earlier, insert screws in the holes of the side panel. Align and tighten the screws. Repeat the process on the other side. Cross support element fixing is done. The box is looking sturdy now. We would fix the top pod between the panels. The way we did earlier, we would align the holes on the top rod and side panels and tighten the screws lightly. Note that you should not tighten these screws on the top rod very tight. If you keep rotating the screw, it might get loose. Now flip the box and put the screws on the other side as well as fix the other rod. Now tighten all the screws and ensure that no element is loose and the box is sturdy. The entire structure is ready now, and we are good to fix the wheels to the bottom support strip. To fix the wheels, flip the box so the bottom support strips face you. Take one wheel and align the holes on the wheels with the holes in the bottom support strip. Make sure that all the holes are aligned. If there is any misalignment, rotate the wheel plate and align it. Once aligned, put screws in all the holes and very lightly tighten them. Once the wheel and screws are in position, tighten the screws. After tightening the first screw, tighten the screw that is diagonally opposite it and then the rest. Make sure that wheels are free to rotate and screw heads are not obstructing the rotation of the wheel. Repeat the process for all the wheels. Place the box on the wheels and check if the box is moving freely. What we need for the trays are the thinner 5 mm diameter pins. On the tray, there are 2 dowel pin holes. Push the dowel pin in the hole such that the dowel pin is half above the plate and half below the plate. If needed, keep the plate on the surface and, with a hammer, tap the pins through the holes. Align the dowel pin with the slot in the slotted tray support and place the tray. The tray should be placed so that all the loops are facing up. Check if the tray is moving freely in the support strip. While keeping the tray fully pushed in, insert a 6 mm thicker dowel pin through the hole on the side panel. Tap the dowel pin through the hole using a mini hammer. Tap it till the end of the dowel plate is flush with the panel surface. Once again, check that dowel pins stop the tray from coming out. Rotate the box and repeat the process of fixing the dowel pins on the other side. Now, you can place the top and bottom support trays. Take the ACP tray. Remove the sticker from the ACP tray and place it on top of the box such that the holding slots provided on the tray are on the open side of the box. If your interlocking shelf is ready, place the shelf on the bottom support tray. Your box is now ready for putting the stickers and keeping the equipment and boxes. For placing the equipment and apparatus in the tray, see layout photographs on our website www.stemulate.com. Bye and see you soon.